If you run a home service business in Metro Detroit, quick question. How many calls do you think you miss at night and on weekends when your customers are ready to book? My name is Matt, and I'm the founder of Rivet Automation. I help home service pros stop missing customers and leaking time by automating the busy work, so your business can continue running even when you're off the clock. In this video, I show you how to set up a simple voice agent that can answer the phone on nights and weekends so you never miss a job again. So here is our basic stack. We're going to talk through buying a number on Twilio. Then we're going to show you how to set the agent up with a conversational model on ElevenLabs. And we're going to use ChatGPT to do some research for us and help us get the knowledge base for this company. And then we're going to use Perplexity, or we could use ChatGPT to help us write the system prompt. So let's walk through. Let's start first finding a company to build this demo for. So I'm going to go roofers near me, and let's pick sort of a modern, a random one. So Lighthouse Exteriors, we'll try them. Let's grab their website here so we have it. And we're going to go over to ChatGPT. We're going to create, and just so you know, I actually did this because the research took a little longer. But what we would do is build, paste in, and then we'll let it work. And then we'll come over here and let's buy a number. So they're in Madison Heights, I believe. So let's go here. Let's just do a 248 number and see what we get. Let's do something close. Royal Oak is nice and close. Let's buy this number for $1.15 a month. So we'll buy that number. All right, so now we got it. So we have our local number, 248. If you're here in Metro Detroit, you know 248 is one of the very common area codes. Now is the fun part. So now we're going to come over to an agent, and we're going to come here, and we are going to duplicate this agent and duplicate it. All right, so the couple key features here is the welcome message. So down here, this is the very first thing our person says. Their voice, so we can choose through a couple different voices, and the kind of the core of it is the system prompt. Like, how is it supposed to behave? What information is it supposed to capture? And how is it going to store that information? So this is where the system prompt is where we would leverage a ChatGPT or Perplexity to write this for us. So what we'll do is we'll copy an old one. I'll share this prompt if you're interested to do it for your business. But let's build me for Lighthouse Exterior. So I would paste in a prompt that I know works, a system prompt that works. And then you'll see it build it out right here. And it's going to tell you what to capture. Okay, great. So it's giving you all the key pieces. So we'll just copy this right here, and boom, that's our system prompt. We're going to come over here to the system prompt area for our Lighthouse Exteriors agent, and we just paste it in here. So now this is giving it all the instructions, how to behave, what its role is. It's a receptionist, it's supposed to be friendly and professional. It tells it when to end the call, not to repeat itself so it sounds natural, what information it's trying to capture, what are the rules of the conversation, how should the conversation flow, what its responsibility is, the conversation approach, and then any guardrails we want to give it. We want to make sure it stays focused. We don't want it to capture sensitive information. And then industrial context, which will be part of our system prompt. So we can listen to a few different voices. I had been using, let's see, Jessica here, but I think
if you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, I
actually like Jason.
The sea's waves are cradles for the dream.
So we'll use Jason for this one. I like his voice best, so we'll save that here. So we say hi, and we're gonna call this agent Larry from Lighthouse, and so we'll save it. Okay, and then we will have to go back here to ChatGPT and see that how it's going. It looks like it's stuck up. It's working on it. So it's created it. We'll paste it into a Google Doc, and then we'll just pull down this Google Doc as a, let's see here, download as a PDF. And then we'll just come over here to the agent and we'll add this document. And so add file, you can also add the URL of your website as well, which gives it the context. So then we're gonna grab this. There it is, add file. All right, cool. So it just added it. So now it has all this context. If we look at here, it's going to tell you what sets Lighthouse Exterior apart from other contractors. It can actually answer these questions. We'll try asking it when we call. So now we have to go back to ElevenLabs here, and we need to go to agents. So our agent is there. Now we need to import the phone number. So phone number, import Twilio. We're going to copy and paste that number we just bought. Oop, I didn't have that. So we come back over to Twilio. We want to take this number, boom, and we want to come back over to here. We want to paste it here. And then I already have an account, so we just do that. It says it stores, import. Oh, we got to give it a name. Lighthouse Exterior Demo Agent. Okay, import. All right, and then we have to assign that agent here. All right, now we should be able to make a call. So let's try making a call from my phone and see what actually happens here. So let me call the new number. Let me go back here. Two, 4, 8, 3, 9, 7, 9, 5, 3, 2. Put it on speakerphone. We can listen in.
Hi, this is Larry with Lighthouse Exteriors. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
This is Matt.
Thanks, Matt. It's great to connect with you. What's the property address you need assistance with today?
123 Main Street, Royal Oak, Michigan.
Got it. 123 Main Street, Royal Oak, Michigan. And what kind of roofing service or issue can we help you with today?
Yeah, I need a new roof.
Okay, you need a new roof. How urgent would you say this situation is? Is it emergency, urgent, or is your timeline flexible?
I'm pretty flexible with timeline. I just like to get it done by the spring. But can you tell me something? I need to know what makes Lighthouse Exterior the company to choose.
Thanks, Matt. So to confirm, you're Matt, and you're looking for a new roof for your property at 123 Main Street in Royal Oak, Michigan. You're flexible with the timeline, aiming to get it done by the spring. Thanks, Matt, for trying the Lighthouse Exterior demo powered by Rivet AI Receptionist. Please return to the demo site to see what happens next. Thanks, Matt, for trying the Lighthouse Exterior demo powered by Rivet AI Receptionist. Please return to the demo.
All right, so there were some glitches there. I think I might have double pasted the closing message, which happens from time to time. We got to make sure that we don't make sure it closes twice. So you saw he repeated himself, and he didn't respond to my question. That is not because we built the demo around just answering 4 questions. He's trying to stay on script and not answer those questions. So we could try another version where we actually leave it a little bit more open-ended and make it available to answer FAQs from a customer. But again, this is just a demo. We're just trying to demonstrate how this agent would work. There's a lot of flexibility here. One of the agents I built for another customer, we were able to answer any questions that the person has as it relates to orthodontics. But that's a demo. It was working. Look how quick that was. Maybe 10 or 11 minutes to get this moving. And what I would do in a future, if you like this, what I would do in the future would be do a demo around being able to then capture that information and SMS it or send it via email to somebody, whatever your preferred communication method, so that it workflows to the right people. They get alerted that, hey, there's somebody that's looking for a roof. Obviously, time matters. So when a real person could reach out to them or even send them a text message with dates and times that are available, say the next day, that goes a long way to capturing that lead. But let me know what you think in the comments below.